Are you looking for the best printer for stickers? In this video we will look at some of the best printer for stickers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon Pixmo MG3620 printer. To have a reliable printer available at an affordable cost, choosing the Canon Pixmo MG3620 is the best option for you. This printer is not just cheap but is also available with excellent printing speeds and higher priced units, thereby delivering top-notch prints. You can have this best printer for stickers and art prints in two color options, that is, white and matte black. It has a small footprint for excellent results. Although it lacks a touch screen control panel, many buttons have been laid out, making the whole process easy to perform. This best inkjet printer for stickers has a page-minute speed of almost 27 seconds for producing sharp and clean images. The color resolution of this printer is 4800 by 1200 ppi to get fantastic printing results. You can easily have this printer connected to your PC, Mac, Android, and iPhone. Number 2. Brother VC 500 watts printer. Choosing Brother VC 500 watts turns out to be the best option for you to have as ink photo printer. You can use this printer with any sort of ink or cartridge toner. Zinc makes use of zero ink technology to provide a rich, full color for high quality photo printing. It works best with wireless networking. You will be allowed to share the network directly with your smartphone or tablets through a Wi-Fi connection. Plus, you can also connect it to your smartphone or Android device. Plus, the Brother VC 500 watts app even supports both Windows and Mac. You can easily handle the printing task of gift wrapping or photos as well as invitation letters. Full color pictures can easily be printed to almost 2 wide and 16 long. Number 3. Epson WF2750 printer. To have an all-in-one printer that is economical and efficient, we have the best recommendation of the ET2750 EcoTank for you with some advanced features. This printer is great for offering you great quality prints and even reducing your printing costs. No doubt that this printer is a complete package, where you can successfully print any sticker paper, photo images, and much more. Quality is another important aspect that has made this printer one of the most remarkable ones. Some friendly features have made this the best printer for clear stickers to be popular among beginners. This includes auto duplex printing, in which you can print both sides of your page. The paper tray can print almost 100 sheets. For printing graphics or photos, you can print almost 4.7 pages in just a single minute. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2750 printer. On the 6th spot, we bring the name of an outstanding printer known as the Epson EcoTank ET2750. This printer model is great for making stickers. Epson is available with this printer model, and you will be able to get enough ink for the next 2 years. 5,200 pages is its printing capacity after the replacement of ink. Plus, it is available with more than 30 ink cartridge sets. It has an excellent wireless system in which a Wi-Fi connection is also included. You can share the network with your Android or smartphone devices. Plus, you can have it printed directly on tablets or smartphones. Hence, you will find this best inkjet printer for printing vinyl stickers great for small business use. For high printing volume, this printer model works best for you. It can print one page of the paper in a maximum of 0.3 seconds. Number 5. Epson Expression Premium XP7100 printer. The Epson Expression Premium XT7100 printer works best for Android tablets and cell phones. This printer has been designed just for Epson brand cartridges. This reliable AIO printer is designed for 30-page auto document feeder productivity. Any of the borderless print images has a dimension of 4 inches by 10 inches. The 4.3-inch touchscreen will assist you in viewing, editing, and printing photos directly from a USB or card slot in just 5 seconds. you can print your white images and 12 seconds for colorful images. For less printing, this printer model is the best option for you. Epson even offers 5 distinct colors. Plus, the ink cartridges are also water resistant. With Ethernet's help, you can print your documents and photos directly from a smartphone or tablet. The networking system offers Wi-Fi Direct for free printing. Furthermore, the best printer for sticker paper is available with a USB drive as an alternative to the USB card slot. This UBS port will enable you to print your images directly without any hassle. You will find the printer compatible with the iPad, smartphone, Android, etc. Number 6. HP Color LaserJet Pro M479 FTW Printer. How can we miss mentioning the printer model by HP? This HP Color LaserJet printer is the top contender in the market. It is compact and lightweight to make it move from one place to another. The printer has dimensions of 17.72 by 14.33 by 8.54 inches and hence weighs only 12 pounds. This is an all-in-one printer for printing stickers, with which you can scan, copy, fax, and print your images or documents. Plus, it is compatible with different platforms, including Android and smartphone devices. Besides, this best home printer for stickers is also available with the AirPrint feature for mobile integration without any need for the network. With the Instant Ink feature's help, you will always be available with the ink for performing great printing duties. As the speed is concerned, you can easily print 8.5 black pages per minute and almost 6 color pages per minute. This printer has an input capacity of around 60 sheets and an output capacity of 25 sheets.